back to my video, and today I'm playing Minecraft. This is version 0.15 Pocket Edition, and make sure to like and subscribe. I will make more videos, and this is gonna be episode 1, so stay tuned. Let's get started. So what most Minecraft players will do is, to start, you will get wood, because wood is important. Also in real life, wood is also important in real life. And now I'm gonna craft a crafting table. If you play Minecraft and once you're done getting wood, you don't need a bunch of crafting tables. All you just need is one. And make sure to craft some sticks, make sure it's plenty, and make a pickaxe. Then you go down to get some stone so you can upgrade our tools. And that's how Minecraft it is. I'm gonna cut the video so it won't take too long. Okay, so I'm done collecting some stones. This is cobblestone, and I'm gonna craft some stone tools like a sword, an axe, and a pickaxe. Now we need food and a bed, and to get that you need to kill some animals. So sorry, many vegans. So sorry, vegans, but I need to survive. And sheep is important. Although sheep doesn't drop food in this version yet, it only drops wool because I don't know. And wool is very important to craft because you need to craft a bed to sleep at night. Okay, now I just need to find a flat area. Let me kill it. Good. Okay. So, oh, let's go. There's sheep. Okay, there's pig. My hunger bar is getting really low. Okay. I need food, guys. I need food. I only have 5.5 hunger bars left. Okay, I just need one more sheep to craft a bed. Let's go. And we're gonna start our... Oh no. I cannot sprint anymore. Oh, there's a cave down there, but I'm not gonna explore it just yet. Okay, I need to cook some food. Maybe I'll start my base right over here. So I need to craft a furnace and put food there. Sacrifice your wooden tools because it's useless anymore. And oh no. Okay, good. The sun is still up, and I need steak. This is why food is important, because also in Minecraft, once you have no hunger bar left, you're gonna starve to death. It's like in real life, and you don't eat for days, months, you will starve to death. So Minecraft is just realistic here, but except this. Except that. I need wood because I need a place to stay. I need a house. So So I'm not gonna make a very fancy house because just a starter base. Ooh. Good. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, guys, I really hate to say this, but don't leave trees floating, because other people just do this. Other people just do that and do not cut the rest, but make sure to cut also the rest, guys, because it looks so cursed. If you leave trees floating, it looks so cursed. Okay, now I have enough food. I'm gonna make some planks. Ooh, this should be enough. Okay, so not very fancy, because I don't care about the fashion. I don't care about the fashion in Minecraft. The things that are just important in Minecraft is survive. All I care is survive, man. Okay, and leave a space for a door there. Okay, the sun's getting low, so I need to build this fast. Okay, why did I even put that there? Okay. The reason is why you need a base or a house. It's because there is monster once it turns night, and we don't want to get eaten by the monster, so that's why we need a place to stay. Craft a bed and W win. So I also need some wood to burn, because I need charcoal, and to get charcoal is to burn wood. Okay, it's getting dark now. Not really, it's about to get dark. It turns into charcoal. Okay, I need to craft a door. Oh no. Okay. Oh, okay. I was a little bit confused. And this is a starter base. And let's go. We finished. We finished our base. But it doesn't mean it's the end, because I will still make more videos about Minecraft, and this is just the beginning. This is episode 1. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and our goal is to reach 50 subscribers so I can do live stream, because I really wanna go live, and because I really want to go live. Okay, the reason why I need sand, because I need to make a window here, a glass of window. Okay, so Minecraft is really following the laws of physics, except for gravity, because in Minecraft some make sense and some don't. So let's go finish our base. So that's the end, guys. It's the end of this episode. So make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.